Mày lại có gì?
The the scroll that is it os as high os as voltage is low and energy os as is low to when the AC current come on to 0 point is isolation isolation of acid gas gas acid gas is 100 times high 100 times fast of air. It is as extinguishing ability is 100 times higher of air.
The air.
Three. It SS gas has higher isolation strength.
And when should stop the PT?
The PT converts high current.
Mẹ nó không? Có thì hụt.
When should stop the PT?
Stop PT.
You.
The high voltage. The high voltage side field. Notice high voltage notice the high voltage side field notice two or three times.
Melt.
Now notice
Melt.
2 times.
Bye.
To the last terminal is lost and overhand. 3 in internal discharge and as normal source or noise.
Abnormal sound. Yes.
4 C discharge and fan. 5 head smell and small. 6 white like gas.
And when to stop to cut off the power of CB?
1 celluloid white like gas. Celluloid white gas no white in the white indication pipe. 2 support porcelain. 2 support porcelain. 2 Bluetooth and bruiser or bruising crack. 3 the joint overhand. 4 the joint overhand. 4 isolator discharge isolator serial discharge. 5 serial air leakage in the air chamber as assist CB and send out operation locking signal. 6 the hydraulic mechanism loss pressure to 0. 7 CB acetylene quenching chamber small as normal source
Abnormal sound.
normal sound.
Source.
S Berkeley damage of the Berkeley CD
Vacuum. And the testing programs of CD.
1. Isolation resistant to leakage current 3. AC high voltage 4. Capacitor and tank and capacitor in extinguishing chamber 5. Contact resistant 6. Measuring CB assist opening time and
Opening and close time.
close time 7. Measuring
And also not finished.
opening time or the simultaneity opening the context 7. Measuring speed or CD opening and closing context 8. Checking closing and contact opening mechanism minimal opening high voltage
High voltage. The minimal operation voltage.
Yes. 9. Measuring isolation and DC power supply closing context and
Of closing contact.
closing contactor and closing and opening and closing voltage
No. The DC power supply of closing contact and opening and closing electromagnetic coil.
coil
Not voltage. 可以了。